What exactly is the kidney disease solution? The kidney disease solution is an all-in-one step-by-step program that provides you with everything you need in order to reverse your kidney disease, improve kidney function and protect your kidneys from further damage so you may avoid dialysis and transplant. 1. Kidney repair tools, including detailed descriptions of every product and natural supplement you need from ancient remedies to modern science to help your body heal. 2. The kidney disease treatment plan has been carefully designed so you can customize it to your individual circumstances, so you can feel confident that the cause of your kidney disease has a solution and your symptoms are being looked after. 3. Comprehensive nutrition plan, outlining the exact foods that you can eat to help your kidneys heal and increase your kidney function, as well as detailing the foods that harm your kidneys. 4. The Kidney Disease Solution Cookbook. This is a sensational 133-page e-cookbook that has been specifically created for you. You don't ever need to wonder again if you are eating the right food for optimum kidney function. The recipes are easy to follow and delicious. 5. Free lifetime program updates. We're constantly fine-tuning this program and getting it back to you so you can take advantage of all the new information we discover. We are committed to helping you get the best out of your health right now and into the future. 6. Free lifetime email support. If you ever have questions about implementing any of the advice, contact our experienced and qualified team and your question will be answered by email. 7. Kidney Healing Yoga Flow. World-renowned yogini Antonella Milo takes you through a 30-minute morning yoga flow for kidney health. This will help energize you for the day and help restore kidney health. 8. Distress and Renew Guided Meditation. This guided meditation takes you into a deep rejuvenating and regenerating place. Even people who believe they can't meditate or visualize, can do this easily and effortlessly under our experts' guidance, and with fantastic results. 9. How to interpret your kidney test results. This valuable resource will help you decode the kidney tests fast and give you tips to use them for your benefit. 10. Kidney Health Grocery Shopping List. This quick grocery shopping list will help you zoom through the supermarket, without the stress and worry of what you can and can't eat. 11. Quick Meal Planning. This is a must-have. The Quick Meal Planning Guide lays out 3 meals and 1 snack for each day of the week in an easy-to-read template, cutting the confusion of what you can eat. 12. Kidney Disease Symptom Tracker. With this in your hands, you have to wait until your next doctor's visit to get an understanding of how your kidneys are progressing, because health is more than just your blood test results. A toolkit of natural remedies shows you what you need to take to literally repair your kidneys from the inside out. A step-by-step guide on what to do to eradicate the root cause of your kidney impairment quickly and easily. Learn how to make Nana's secret tea recipe that she attributes to giving her life back. Learn a solution so simple to help your kidney function that you will wonder why it hasn't been discovered before. Learn the 6 essential rules you must know before you decide to exercise. Learn proven, relax on demand, stress management techniques. Learn what foods to eat and what foods to avoid to revitalize your kidney health. Get the monthly newsletter filled with handy hints and tips, plus the most recent cutting-edge research findings. An entire section about juicing specifically beneficial for kidney function. The Kidney Disease Solution Program is now available for only $87, valued at $889. Lifetime email support by a qualified team and lifetime free updates and access to the latest cutting-edge research, tips and hints we discover each month. Click on the link below in description video to try the Kidney Disease Solution risk-free for 60 days.